All right, we're working on 2005 Chevy Duramax. We're getting ready to replace the OE tie rod assembly, and we're going to upgrade to the rear parts 28559. When we look at the OE tie rod assembly, this is typically where people are bending them or breaking them. The inner tie rod end is a 1/2 inch in diameter. A lot of people are actually buckling these when they're in four-wheel drive because this truck tends to want to tow in under heavy acceleration in four-wheel drive. The rear parts design tie rod assembly is 1.5 inches in diameter, and it's really what should be on this truck. So we'll go ahead and swap these out and show you how it's done.